They began as little learners and have blossomed into confident young individuals. Meet some of our students who have grown with Pravashi International Academy since their early years.
Hello, I'm Hia. I'm currently studying in 10th grade at Pravashi International Academy.
Ira Dhamne. I'm in grade 11. My school is Pravashi International Academy. I have been in this school since grade higher prep, or some would call it senior KG.
Hi, my name is Ekam Deshmukh. I study in grade 10 and I've been part of FI since grade 1.
I am Dhanvi Vaishya and I study in 10th B. So I started my school in lower prep and it was 12 years ago, and I think it has been a great experience since then.
So, how has the school shaped you as a person over time?
Well, being here since 13 years, every corridor, every room, every place has a story of its own. Every maushi, every bhaiya, you learn something new every day. You hear their stories, you talk to your teachers. Definitely academics, but I think they teach you a lot of life skills that may not be possible somewhere else.
So for me, FI has not just been a school, it has been a place where learning and life comes together.
As I've progressed through the years, I've learned how to be calmer and learned many important values that I would need for the rest of my life to carry myself.
I think it has definitely boosted my confidence because we have so many opportunities. We get to speak in assemblies, events, annual days. So it has boosted my confidence, and I can always, I'm always very confident when it comes to public speaking. And also, I think it has helped me to become more social because we have so many events and like Garba night and MUNs. So of course, like my social circle is increased and I get to interact with a lot of new people.
And it has made me socialize with people a bit more in a better way. Like all the faculty here is very friendly, and like the people here are open to socialize. So like that has put a lot of confidence in me, and the events that we organize, the MEN that we organize, had built a lot of confidence in me because public speaking was a thing I used to fear, which I have no fear of now anymore. Then we have student-led conferences and we have group activities that make me a team player and maybe a leader too. And as being an athlete too, I have sports events that we attend, and like the school, as being a Cambridge school, is invited to Cambridge only events too, which makes me socialize with people all around India only from Cambridge schools.
Tell me about your teachers. How do they make your learning experience fun?
I think all the teachers are exceptional, since the beginning. Since when I've joined the school, all the teachers that have taught me are amazing. And, they make the class more interactive, and they also know you personally. Like, they know that if I'm not well, maybe, they'll help me out, and always they're there to help you no matter what. So they've always, they've talked about it so much, and they emphasize on that so much. And the activities are so interesting that it always makes me do them. And I've participated in so many activities like elocution competitions and everything. It is actually fun. It's not that I'm forced to do it, but it's something that I like.
I love all of my teachers. They have a very special place in my heart. Each one of them has given me such a nice memory, and I'm so fond of them. So me and maths, we have a very complicated relationship, and you need a very good teacher who believes that you can do it. If a teacher believes in you, you feel like, okay, I can maybe do it. So I feel like she's given me a lot of motivation, and she's really worked hard for me.
The teachers are quite persistent. Like they want you to do something, and sometimes even when I don't want to, I do it, and then later I realize I'm like, I should have just done it. And it's like they know me better than I know myself. So they provide many opportunities to learn, to grow, to understand what you're doing better, and how to lead, how to talk, like everything. They just know me better than I do, I think.
What's the one thing that you love doing at Pravashi International Academy?
I mean, meeting my friends every day is a perk. I have known my friends since a long time, and now the bond we have created is like very important to me because they're my best friends. Every day I just look forward to coming to school because the studies that I know I wouldn't do as much as if I was at home, and getting to meet my friends again. It's like going out of the house and then doing something productive and coming back and feeling productive about your day. So it leaves me with a good feeling that I've done something today.
You have met Ratan sir, of course. What do you want to say to him, or anything that he has mentioned in his speeches that you will remember for life?
Sir is a very charming person. His personality is so, I look up to him in a lot of ways. He's done so much. I mean, in fact, I hear so many stories from him. And when he talks about his journey, I feel like there's a long way to go. And I have a lot of things to do. And one thing I would like to say to Ratan sir is thank you. Thank you for bringing Fravashi. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to study here. And thank you so much for everything you've done for us.
Then sir's speech are always so inspiring, and I always make sure that I listen to them, because I know for sure that I'm going to be motivated the next time I'm meeting him. And also he has a very nice personality, so whenever you meet him, he'll talk to you, he'll ask you about how's everything going. And also the way he plans things, in our school, everything, like every new year or every new month, there's something new. Like we have our temperature control pool or the new flag pole. So there are a lot of new things coming up. So it makes it more fun, and we're not bored by the normal routine.
His cooking skills are really great. I don't think that's a skill many people know. So I would like to say that I want to learn how to carry yourself in public like he does, to give everyone respect, because he has done a lot of work in his life, and it's very great to see how much he's done. And I also want to do a lot in my life. So
Honestly speaking, what makes FI stand out is the personal involvement that Ratan sir has with the students, that makes every student feel special, and it really doesn't show any inequality between students, and he's like a role model for everyone at the school. Everyone looks up to him because of the way he conveys his message to the school. That's something we all look up to.
What is the one thing that you love doing at FI? And what does Fravashi mean to you?
I think I love everything, but then, when we have annual days or something, the experience is just amazing. And I feel like it's almost like a dream to come to this school, and we get to do so much. Annual days are organized so meticulously, and I can't imagine, and even parents love it, when they see us. And it's so good to see smiles on their face when they see their child performing and the event being organized so nicely.
It's just a place where I feel comfortable being. It's a place where I have my friends here, I have my teachers here, I learn a lot of things skills that I will need in my life ahead.
Fravashi is like a second home to me. I've been here since higher prep. It's been 11 years now, and I've spent almost every week here, and it's very important to me. And I only have 1 year left.
Family. I am part of the Fravashi family.
For me, I think it is my entire childhood, and it is almost magical for me, because I'm a kind of a kid who loves coming to school. I get bored at home, and I love coming to school since the beginning. So I would say it's a magical place, and definitely a lot of happy memories, because I met so many new people, my friends, my teachers, and I just couldn't ask for more. And I think it goes without saying that it's the best school ever.